Sunan. Oh, Sudan, guys. Okay, now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the candidates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in the front seat time.
Oh, this is good. Number 2.
Candidate number 3. Candidate number 4. Candidate number 5.
Hey guys, rush it on!
Candidate number 6.
Number 6. Pakita mo yung lugat daw. Abi ka, wak may ito. Confident tayo. Okay. Stop music.
Please stop the music now.
Stop the music.
Okay, so
Candidate
again,
number 2.
at sila interviewin o gamay maybe personal backgrounds para mas mailailan na to atong contestants. Then, pero called on, for example, nasa lahat si judges. So, please allow me to call in contestant number 1.
Alara?
Oh, I guess na siya, sorry.
Kita mo doon niya dahil kaya
Yes,
tapos
she's very beautiful.
beautiful.
Do you believe that you're beautiful?
Yes.
Of course.
Okay.
And kung sila, kung naniniwala ka na maganda ka, magpa-bangs ka.
Oh, di ba? Bangs ang daan, no?
Ako na, oy, nagpa-dance, nagpa-good ko.
Pinoy ka ng bangs mo, natural naman na. Ang iya, pila na katuig hindi mo ng bangs.
I think 4 years.
4 years!
Oh, that's a very long time.
Mga lusa, die! Minus. Kasi abot na sa inakong kasyon.
Ako na.